This 2023 K-Z Durango Gold 383RQL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used K-Z is 41 feet 5 inches in length and features Sleeps 4, DVD player, LP detector, awning, smoke detector, TV, refrigerator, microwave, spare tire kit, skylight, water heater, and 76 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2023 K-Z Durango Gold 383RQL is 12,810 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.